Bird pie, not for eating. Go. Hi, I'm Kristen, and these are posts for my Instagram feed. I like dead things. Sometimes I wonder, how did this happen to you? I guess sometimes it's obvious. But no matter what, I find your lifeless body beautiful and fascinating. Sometimes I stare for a good long while, thinking of your life, your fragile small body, what led to this moment, who you're leaving behind. Some people find it strange that I think or feel this way. You know how sometimes there are get-to-know-you icebreaker games at work functions where you're supposed to share an interesting fact about yourself with your coworkers? I usually say that I can tap dance. I would guess that I'm expressing something about beauty in the grotesque, or my own mortality, or how everything can feel so big and so small at the same time all the time. I think it's something like that. Curtain.